So today's video is sponsored. It is nice.
It is? That's cool.
Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a sponsorship. It's sponsored by Xcool, where they sent me over this vacuum cleaner that is handheld and it is cordless. We're gonna go ahead and open it up and I'll show you guys everything that comes in it. So first, as you guys can see inside of the box, it is just a little box that simply is this. It says Xcool, which is nice because it comes with a little carrier that everything can fit in. When you open it up, you have all of your materials here. So this is a 1 pound handheld vacuum cleaner that is cordless. It has air duster with 8 attachments. It comes with everything that you guys see here and everything that you guys see on the screen. So I will show you piece by piece. It is a 3-speed adjustable wireless car vacuum, and it's very lightweight. It's portable for quick cleanups. The uses of this product are like for debris vacuuming, such as like couch areas, and then like dust blowing when you're trying to clean up keyboards or areas like corners of your home. You also can do air inflating, which is going to blow up mattresses and also deflate them and things like that. And then you can also vacuum up pet hair or clean out your car vents in your car. This is a USB-C fast charging machine that comes with a bunch of different pieces, but it also gives you up to 38 minutes of runtime. So here's your cord, and then you also just need to plug it up underneath the bottom, just like this. And you'll just have to plug it into something. So that's how you turn it off. You press the button for 3 seconds to start it up, which starts in a low grade mode, and then you press it again to switch to middle grade, and then again to switch to high grade, and finally a short press, which will turn it off. Before use, you want to make sure you fully charge it up, which literally probably takes no time. So here you have your piece that is going to allow you to vacuum up pet hair or any other thing that can be sucked up in this little suction here. And then you also have this part, which is going to bend down into crevices and get it out. And then you also have your pieces that I told you about before that are going to help you to inflate, deflate, and then your dust blowing piece. And you also have like some other pieces that are going to help you. And then you also have an extra little dust thing. It comes with instructions on the inside, which is really good because it tells you what each piece is used for, what's in the box, how the product structure is for the mini handheld vacuum. It also gives you like precautions of like not leaving your product in the car, like, you know, with temperatures, how to use it, how to use the accessories, and then of course all of the scenarios. It also gives you a way to how to keep it clean and keeping the maintenance on it very well. So luckily you can just stick it right back down in your little case and close it up. All of your materials can fit down in this container storage, simply just like this. You can take it on the go with you, you can keep it in the house, but everything's all wrapped up in one. So thank you so much to Xcool for sending over this handheld portable vacuum that I can use in the house or in the car. The link is in my description box down below. It is nice.
It is. That's cool.